Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to another amazing and interesting video of review therapy. Today we have this wind up power generator set. This toy is only for ages of 6 years children or more. It is a 2-in-1 set having car and a boat, and there is the generator. So here it is written, learn the principle of electricity generation. Develop the ability of scientific and technological innovation. And then it is mentioned that learn the principle of cutting magnetic lines of force, the generation and storage of electricity with the boat. There are some more details that how electricity is generated, and it is a great product for children. Here is the battery warning, and here is a warning for children also. Here are some more details which we will discuss in a while, so let's take everything out of the box first. Here we have some accessory. Then we have a user manual, as you can see. It is available in different languages. A car, a boat, and generator itself. So let's see now that how it works. We will try it with the car. To do it, we have to attach the car with the generator like that. And then we have to do like that to charge it. Now let's see if it works. Let's take it out. Here is the on off button of our car. Let's switch it on, and it is working. And to turn it off, we have to just push this button like that. Now let's try it with a boat. To do it with a boat, we have to take this off and this cover off. And then you can see there is the on off button, and here is the charging button. We can charge the boat same as we did with the car before, like that. And then we can rotate it like that. So that's it. We can rotate it as much time as we want, but I think 1 minute is enough. We can also even try to switch it on. So as you can see, this fan is running now, and it can now move inside the water and you can enjoy it. So guys, at the end I would like to say that this is a great product, especially for students for their learning purposes. And if you would ask about my recommendation, then from my side it is 100% recommended, and if you want to buy it, then you can buy it without any problem. That's the end of our review video. If you liked it, then don't forget to subscribe our channel Review Therapy and hit the bell icon so that you can get notification of our new interesting review videos. I will catch you in the next one. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.